Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. Have you ever heard words like Vashi, Tamtam, Gschistischasti or blem? In this tutorial we'll learn 10 important funny Austrian words that are very helpful when you visit Austria. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up or subscribe to the Austrian German tutorial. The learning goal of this tutorial is to get to know 10 important funny Austrian words that you often hear in everyday conversations. First of all, let's start with the funny word Tamtam. Tamtam could be translated as fuss. For example, a lot of noise is made around a specific topic or a specific product. Don't make such a fuss means mach nicht so ein Tamtam. Tamtam. Second, we take a look at the term Gschistischasti. The meaning of Gschistischasti deals with stressfulness, fuss, or work that is not useful. So a Gschistischasti might be translated as such a fuss. So it's a bit similar to Tamtam, but it deals a bit more with work. Third, in Austria you might often hear the word Vashi, especially when listening to politicians. In English there is the word Vashi in the context of unclear or no structure. For example, die Antwort ist Vashi means the answer is unclear. Fourth, we cover an Austrian word that is rather common in rural areas, namely griffig. Griffig means cute and can be used for people and animals. For instance, a cute little animal is a griffiges Viecherl, griffig. Fifth, a famous word in Austrian German is blem. Blem may be translated as stupid. The sentence, der is a bissl blem, could be he's a bit stupid, blem. The sixth word we focus on is called Samba. Samba could be interpreted in the context of party or bustle. If you want to say, there's gonna be a wild party, we can use die Party wird Samba or dort gibt's Samba. Number 7 on our list of our funny words in Austria is schwoop. Schwoop means very fast or suddenly. For example, schwoop was weg means all of a sudden it's gone. Schwoop. Number 8 on our list is the word borchert. Borchert is the term for clumsy. For instance, pass auf, ich bin borchert can be translated as be careful, I'm clumsy, borchert. The 9th funny word is short but a little strange, namely bahur. Bahur means something like noise or fuss. The phrase bahur schlagen may be translated as make some noise. Bahur. Finally, you know the 10th word of our list if you regularly watch the Austrian German tutorial. The 10th word is called baba and means goodbye in English. This is what I say now, viert dich baba, but before I'd like to recommend my video about 25 words and phrases in Austrian German if you want to know or learn more about it. I hope I could show you some funny words in Austrian German. See you in the next Austrian German tutorial. Have a nice day, auf Wiederschauen, Servus, Baba.